Hey, we film it?
We're on tape.
Oh. Yeah, Dave, good job. Proud of you, sweetheart. So here we have our 6-inch.
Before we do all this, should we cap the top staircase?
One of the biggest challenges with built-in or inset steps is keeping your step width consistent as you go from course to course to course. One of the benefits of the Vyking 6-inch wall, it can be built vertical or setback. If your cheek or wing walls are vertical, as you go up, this is going to keep your stair width consistent. You can
All walls can be built vertical or setback. This wall can be pinned.
In the stair application, how many times have you constructed? Money to
Let's get the set. You ready?
Yeah.
I
Zoom in right
think
here.
you need to
Fuck
do
this.
it.
Right
You need
here.
to do a dry
This is
take.
Hollywood.
Dry
Okay,
take.
Hollywood.
Dry take.
Yeah?
Yeah, I would
We're
see.
taping it right now, so
The common job site application is having steps inlaid into 2 load-bearing retaining walls. A big headache that guys have is as you go up the steps, because of other products, you have to have a setback when you're retaining soil. The steps get wider as you go up. With the Vyking 6-inch system, that's not a problem, because the wall can be pinned vertically in a load-bearing application. As you go up these steps, each step is able to remain the same width, with these walls being pinned vertically.
okay,
Right?
go.
To reiterate, with other products, because you have a standard setback, as you go up, each step is going to step in 3/4 of an inch to an inch. With the Vyking pin system, being able to be pinned vertically, the step remains a consistent width from the first step to the top. So I'm starting the whole thing over. Oh, from the sides?
We're on.
You're going to cap the cheek walls or you're going to cap them? You're going to cap the cheek walls.
This is step 2.
You're not going to cap the cheek walls? All right.
How many times on a job site do you have to have a set of steps inlaid in between 2 load-bearing retaining walls? One of the biggest values of the 6-inch Vyking wall system is that it can be pinned both vertically or with a setback. In this type of application, the beauty of the Vyking 6-inch wall is that each step, as you go up, can retain the same width. I screwed up. I gotta start over.
That was good.
Go.
How many times on an application at a job site do you have to build a set of steps in between 2 retaining walls? One of the biggest values of the 6-inch Vyking wall system is that it can be pinned. Take a little while. How many times do you struggle with having to build steps in between 2 retaining walls on an application? One of the biggest values of the 6-inch Vyking wall system is that it can be pinned both vertically or with a setback. In this type of application, as you move along both walls, your steps can retain the same width as you step up, because the wall can be pinned vertically.
Not as good as your first one.
A very common job site application is building a set of steps in between 2 load-bearing retaining walls. How many times on this application have you struggled with, as you go up each step, the step gets wider and wider and wider because the manufacturer's specifications has a setback built into the wall? One of the biggest values of the 6-inch Vyking wall system is it can be pinned both vertically or with a setback. In this type of application, with the 6-inch Vyking wall, the wall is coming in pinned vertically, and as the steps go up, each step retains the same width because it can be pinned vertically in a load-bearing situation.
Dan's audience. Not enough?
That looks good.